How to set up a custom tracking domain in Smartlead in 4 easy steps. Step number 1. Open up your domain management tool. Could be Namecheap, Godaddy, Cloudflare, or any domain provider. Now head over to the DNS management section. In your host record, select basically make following configuration. Now I am in my domain hosting provider. In type, select CNAME. In name, just simply add email tracking. And in value, you have to paste this open/track.com. Now this is a smart lead tracking value, and it's really important that you paste it right. Now just paste it and leave it edited. Now it did not show because I already added mine here. So once you did all this following configuration, your first step is complete. Now head over to the second step, which is basically you do not have to do anything. Just leave it for at least 30 minutes. It's really important that you leave it for at least 30 minutes and do not add it into your Smartlead account. That you do not add your domain in your Smartlead. Just leave it for 30 minutes before you add. It is better that you leave it for 24 hours, but at least for 30 minutes you have to leave it. So for the third step, you have to verify your custom tracking domain in a Smartlead. So you have to just click this button. Now mine is already verified. You have to verify yours. In your case, this place will be empty, and you have to follow this particular format, which is basically http.host and your domain. Now in the host value, it will be email tracking that we already pasted in our DNS setting, and you have to follow this particular dot and your domain. Now my burner domain is alphabet.online. It's basically a burner domain. You have to paste whatever your domain is. If you did it right, the value will be something like this. Email tracking, you have to follow the format, http, then slash, then email tracking, and then your domain. Now my burner domain is alphabet.online, and you have to paste your domain here. It could be like Amazon or anything, your domain. Once you did it right, you paste this value. It's the same thing, it's just in my notepad. Paste it right here, and everything is just fine. And then check a status, and it will be verified. The fourth step is basically not a necessary step. Once you complete the third step, your custom tracking domain is successfully added. And if you did everything right, as I suggested, it shows that CNAME is verified. The last stage is, if you wanted to make extra sure that if your custom tracking domain is verified or not, is go over to NS lookup and paste this value. This value, when you verify it shows like that in DNS. And if shows like the Smartlead custom tracking record, then it's all right. Now this is the Smartlead custom tracking domain. It's right here, like open.sledtrack.com. This means that you verified that you added your custom tracking domain right and successfully. Thank you for watching.